All right, guys, Adele just called. She's stuck. Let's go pull her out. That's it. She had her car worked on today. Adele's driving a pickup truck today. I do know if someone's stuck in the mud, I'm there pulling them out. So apparently a lot of people are getting stuck because Reeves was out of recovery straps. Other choice, Tractor Supply. Who's that?
Louis.
Hey, Louis. So I've done this before. Let's get that one. I think that's all we need. With tow hooks. It's important. Yep. I think I work here now. They should make lights and sirens for real estate agents. We get there faster. I bet Adele's dug a hole out there. I didn't bring a shovel and I'm not buying one.
I don't want to talk about it. It looks really bad. I was not paying attention. Wow, without looking like an idiot. But
That's a problem
I look
sometimes.
like an idiot anyway.
No harm here. You're all right.
I called both of my brothers and tried to video chat me through it.
You tried to build a fire underneath the truck.
I tried to wedge it.
So what did you think this was gonna do?
I was kicking up a lot of dirt and
Where'd
I
this
thought it
cutting
would help
board
me
come
get...
from?
Everything's fine. Two wheels on pavement. We did it! Jon Barnwell team did it.
Good job.